all set. Ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Ella and Joy break quickly at the start. Moving up now on the outside. Perfectionist in the middle portion is Sweet Victory. West Dream is done on the inside. Queen Maker supervise. Seeing Lorky comes next. Galing Class Act. While Home Run Babe is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn. We have Perfectionist, Ella, and Joy is down on the inside, and on the outside, 30 Sweet Victory, Queen Maker comes next, West Dream, then next on that is Supervise, Galing, seeing Lorkia, Class Act Racing, second last, while Home Run Babe is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Ella and Joy, and in between horses now is Perfectionist, Sweet Victory, West Dream rushing up in between horses. Then next on that is Supervised Queen Maker, galing, seeing Lorky, then followed by Home Run Babe, while Class Act now racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have West Dream by about half length. Down on the inside is Perfectionist as they swing for home. West Dream followed by Perfectionist by the rail. Sweet Victory is racing in third. Supervise is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have West Dream, followed by Perfectionist, Class on the further outside, and finally it's going to be West Dream. Perfectionist, Class Act, then comes number 10, Sweet Victory, Supervise, seeing Lorkia.
461-1087. Kung tama nga yung sinasabi ni
Chris.